Afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are
How
you?
are you? Yes,
I'm
I'm
good. So you are at home?
yes.
Okay. So everything is okay, sir?
Yes, of course. Everything is good.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And if you're getting some sound, that is something which is happening upstairs, I think.
Okay. No problem.
Can't help. Sorry.
No problem. It's okay.
Yeah, but it is disturbing me. So if it is disturbing me, then it must be disturbing you also.
No. I'm very means conscious person.
Ah, conscious. Conscious in what way, sir?
Means whatever I have. I'm sorry, not conscious. Very focusing person.
Okay. So you're trying to say I have a deeper level of concentration. So I'm very focused.
Yes.
I'm very focused in what I'm doing. So
Right
this,
now, yes,
yeah,
yes.
sorry. Right now,
Right now, I'm focusing on your lip. So whatever you are trying to say, and if maybe it could, if maybe the background noise will come, so no, it is not very big deal. I can just assume what are you trying to say.
I see, I see. I was wondering if I remember correctly, you had told me that the place where you live now, that is in Ahmedabad, that
Yes,
is your own house or it's a rented house? It's your own house.
not my own house.
It's a rented house.
It's my family house.
Okay, that was a nice way to put it up. I mean, which means you foresee yourself of building up a house for independent house for yourself ever?
No,
Yes, no. That means there are no plans as such because you are happy
no.
with the place where you are living in, is it?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So I'll give you a situation if you ever had this opportunity of building your dream house, which you'll never build. You say that, but I'm just giving you hypothetically. How would you envision that, sir? How would you dream?
I I will try to build at least millions of houses.
Ah, I really am trying to read between the lines, but I would like you to throw some light on it. When you said I would like to build millions of houses, that can give a lot of meanings and that can indicate, I mean, with a positive connotation, if I say that you may offer a lot of employment, which will run houses. Yeah, that is what you
Yeah.
meant.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
but I'm not saying that. I'm saying a proper house. If you had to ever build a proper house, how do you dream to build that? I mean, do you have level like I've spoken to many people. Even when people buy apartment, you must have seen. And for to help you, I'm giving a few examples. Okay, my reading room should be like this, and there will be a balcony which will be south facing. There will be
I'm a very simple man,
yeah.
and
Told you, Sudhir. Did anybody from Clapingo told you are a complicated man?
sorry,
Did anybody from Clapingo tell you you are a complicated man?
no. But I am a very simple man, so the simple and common man,
Yeah.
they have very limitation dream. So right now I don't have any such type of plan which you have asked me because yes.
Please go on, go on, go on, go on. I was just trying to give you one vocabulary. Sir. Please go
Yes,
on.
sure, you can give me.
So you can say that I am a minimalist, okay?
Minimalist.
Which means somebody who is belonging or relating to a style, okay, that uses I mean, you use very smallest range of materials, colors. I mean, very less resources. So that you can possibly use saying that I am a minimalist. Right, Sirji?
Right.
Yeah. Please continue. Sorry to cut you off. Yeah. Please tell me.
No, no, it's okay. Recently, you told me in your terrace there is some work is going on
Not in my terrace, sir. I mean, upstairs. Yeah.
in your upstairs.
Yeah.
So it could be possible. Maybe there is some female worker also because
Why,
most of,
why do you
okay.
say that?
But most of the time when I go visit to the construction site, I found that there are lots of the women. They are working very hard, and they along with their kids, they just carry their kids in outside of their backside, back or shoulder. I can say the Jhansi. You remember the Virangana Lakshmi Bai?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
remember her because, see, I have never met her. So, in which way you are saying remember? So, are you trying to say that if you could recall the history of Rani?
Yes, you can recall the history of the Rani.
Yeah.
So this type of women, they are living their life. They
Sir,
are
Daisy, sir,
yes, yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, women is already in plural, sir. So,
Okay.
if you say women's, then that will be incorrect, sir.
So
Please.
women. So there are many more women. They are living their life uh, just like this. So in 40 in 40, right now in the summer weather, the temperature goes up 40, 45, 50, and they are uh, they are building a house. They are building the property of another person or like this.
Hmm.
So my only and only dream, the government or whatever whosoever the capable person, or in me maybe future, if I
Yes, sir.
have the capability, so definitely I will arrange something for that type of a needy person. So you have asked me, so my dream house. So in my first sentence, I told you I I have the dream to build lots of the millions of houses.
Yeah, I understand that, and that is so noble and kind of you, sir. To, I mean, you have a very noble thought.